is met also with the need to do so with less and to spend less to accomplish our goals. So that's exactly what our event is about today. We have 5 core themes that are going to be focused on enabling you to leverage the unique and differentiated power of the Microsoft Cloud, best of suite and integrated, to help solve these challenges. It begins with the notion of leveraging cloud scale economics, this notion of an economic and technology flywheel, moving assets to the cloud, lowering the cost to serve the business, and helping to build out the data estate so that your organization can be data-driven. So our first theme is about that notion of becoming a data-driven enterprise. From there, you can leverage the power of that data estate to embrace automation and AI to make business processes more efficient. And we're going to talk a lot about that today. We're going to talk a lot about how to put data to work and have empowering AI-driven business processes that help solve the challenges of sustainability and solve the challenges of the global supply chain, help you build products better, more effectively, and more efficiently, and more sustainably through the industrial metaverse. We're also going to talk a lot about democratizing the experience. How do you leverage the power of your elite developers and connect that with your citizen devs to build cloud-native capabilities at scale like never before. So our third theme is all about empowering the developer. The fourth theme is about this notion of empowering the future of work. I mentioned before that no CEO is somehow immune from the considerations of trying to figure out how to make their workforce more productive. And every CEO at the same time wants to make sure that while they're driving productivity, they're also focused on employee well-being and satisfaction. So threading the needle on that, using technology, using Teams as a platform and Viva Insights to really measure satisfaction and well-being of your employee base while making sure everybody is as productive as they can be in these challenging times. And finally, if there's one thing that has not slowed down in these challenging times, it's the unfortunate rise of bad actors in the world. And so we need to rise together to build the right kind of cyber foundation to defend against bad actors and make sure business is secure. So our fifth theme is all about doing just that. So now, without further ado, I would like to turn things over to our chairman and chief executive officer, Satya Nadella, who will frame these 5 themes as digital imperatives. Thank you, and enjoy Ignite.
Hi, and welcome to Ignite. It's great to be with you all today. As Judson mentioned, we're going through a period of historic economic, societal, and technological change. But for all the uncertainty we continue to see in the world, one thing is clear. Organizations in every industry are turning to you and your digital capability to help them do more with less, so that they can navigate this change and emerge stronger. You are the change agents who make doing more with less possible. Less time, less cost, less complexity, with more innovation, more agility, and more resilience. Doing more with less doesn't mean working harder or longer. It's not going to scale. It means applying technology to amplify what you can do and ultimately what an organization can achieve amidst today's constraints. Over the past few years, we've talked extensively about digital transformation. But today, we need to deliver on the digital imperative for every organization. And it all comes down to how we can help you do this with the Microsoft Cloud. No other cloud offers the best of category products and the best of suite solutions. And that's what we will focus on at Ignite this week as we walk through the 5 key imperatives. Let's dive right in. It all starts at the infrastructure layer and how we are helping you build agility and optimize your business with Azure. Moving to the cloud is the best way to align your IT investment